Let's quickly go over how to sign up as a SeneGence distributor. When you hit the link, it's going to bring you to this page. Select your country, confirm your sponsor, and you'll pick an individual account unless you are a business owner. Now you're going to go through this form and fill in all of your personal information. Select your language, and then you're going to go down to the sign up options. So you'll always pick the new distributor kit. You have to choose this one. This is your application fee. And then the following options are additional kits that you can buy, but you do not have to buy them. These will give you amounts of stock and testers. Mailing address 1 should be your street address. And if you have a box number, put that in mailing address 2. Select your shipping method and enter your payment information. Your password is going to be the password that you use to log into the site. Check off that you have read the terms and condition and press sign up, and there you go.